Hello dear learner, in today's video we will talk about a great moment of the world. The Khudai Khidmatgar Movement, also known as the Servants of God Movement, was a non-violent freedom movement led by Khan Abdul Khan, popularly known as Bacha Khan, in the northwest frontier province, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, during the early 20th century. Khudai Khidmatgar Movement was founded around 1929 by Khan Abdul Khan, a prominent Pashtun leader, reformer, and follower of Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent philosophy. The movement aimed to reform Pashtun society, promote education and social evil, uh, end, end social evil, and gain freedom from British colonial rule through the peaceful means. Meaning of Khudai Khidmatgar. The term Khudai Khidmatgar means servant of God. Member of this movement believed that serving humanity is the highest form of serving God. What was the aims and objectives of this movement? So the first aim of this movement was freedom from British colonial rule through non-violence. Second, social reform. Social reform. Ending tribal feuds, revenge, and illiteracy among Pashtun was the second aim and objective of this movement. Third aim of this movement was promotion of education, especially for women in Pashtun society. Fourth one was unity and peace among all community of India. Fifth one was moral and spiritual uplift of Pashtun society. What was the organization and uniform? Member wore red uniform, which is why they were also called red shirts. They took a solemn oath of non-violence, honesty, and serving to humanity. The organization was highly disciplined, functioning almost like an army of peace. Now we are coming toward the major activities of this movement. Established school and adult education center. Promoted social reforms such as discouraging revenge killing and tribal war. Participated in protest and social disobedience movement against the British. Work with the Indian National Congress, supported the Quit India movement 1942. What was the reaction of British to this movement? The British colonial government viewed the movement as a threat. Thousands of Khudai Khidmatgar were arrested, imprisoned, and even killed. The Kisakhwani Bazar massacre 1930 in Peshawar is a tragic example where British took part an unarmed protester. What was the legacy of this movement? The movement left a deep mark on Pashtun in South Asian political history. It demonstrated that non-violence could succeed even in a warrior culture. After the partition of India in 1947, the movement declined in Pakistan due to political suppression. However, Bacha Khan philosophy of peace and service continued to inspire people across the world. And now, at last, we want to discuss the famous slogan of this moment. Our religion is truth, our politics is service, and our weapon is passion.